Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And today I am going to be doing something different, which I have not done previously, and that is to recreate a look by Malvika Sitlani. So now to begin with, I'm going to apply the moisturizer, and I am using this one, the one I always use. So now we're going to move on to the primer. This is Miss Romana, and the thing is, I purchased it when I was staying in Beijing, which was like last year, last to last year, I think. Okay, wait, I was in China. Okay, we are first gonna do the under eyes, and yeah. So I am going to use my Krylon palette because I love it. I'm actually going to try and use a beauty blender. So let's see how that goes. It's going to be a task. Okay, so yeah, it looks pretty good. Oh, in her video, she has brightened her under eyes, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. And to brighten my under eyes, I'm gonna take a shade light. So I'm gonna add the setting powder now, and what she did is that she used a beauty blender, so that is exactly what we're gonna do. And so I have some powder on my beauty blender. Using the Color Sense foundation. So the beauty blender is kind of a task for me because I am not used to using beauty blenders. I always stick to brush. But you know what they say, there's always a first time. So yeah. And what she did is that she applied the baking powder or the setting powder all over the face with a damp beauty blender. So that is what I'm gonna do as well. I'm just ooh, ooh, this is too much, you guys. It's way too much. Okay. It is so difficult for me to use a beauty blender, but yeah. Video she contoured her face, so I am going to do the same thing. I'm using this color and I'm just going to contour a little bit. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a brown shade and add it all over the lid, like just randomly. So I am taking this palette, Beauty Glazed palette, and I'm taking this shade. This is it's nude. The shade is nude. So I'm just gonna take it and I'm just going to Now what I'm doing is I'm taking a black eyeshadow. I'm taking a black eyeshadow and a flat brush. And instead of the liner, we are going to add the black eyeshadow. As you can tell, this eye looks more defined. I've just started and it already looks so much more defined. Okay, and now we are just gonna smoke it out. And now that this is done for the under eye, we are taking a darker color. So I'm going in with this color, Volcano. So we are going to use a nude pencil for the waterline. So I am going to quickly fill in my brows now. I'm going to curl my lashes and then I'm going to add this mascara. Yeah, now that we're done with the eyes, let's move on to the blush. For the blush, I am going to be mixing a pink and a peachy shade. So I'm going to be mixing this and this. Now, when you're adding the blush, you need to make sure that, your contour and your blush, they are not two different lines and it's kind of like blended properly. So, yeah. Just here and there and everywhere. We're gonna move on to the highlighter. We're gonna highlight our cheekbones, our nose, and our cupid's bow. So I'm taking the same palette yet again, and I'm gonna take these colors. As you can see, my nose does look quite thin. That's the magic of makeup, you guys. Now moving on to the lipstick, I am actually going to be mixing two shades of lipstick. So one is this lipstick by Sugar. It is in the shade number 42 Toast Roast, and this is like a very maroony color. And I'm gonna mix this lipstick, which is from Colourpop. I do not know what shade whatsoever. I think it's just Warner House. I'm quickly gonna add a little bit of this color. This is actually quite a easy makeup to pull off if you guys want to, do like a glam makeup. This is pretty easy. If you want to go for a daytime look, you can just swap the dark lipstick with any pink nudes, purple nudes, brown nudes, any nude color, and I think it'll be perfect for a daytime function or a daytime look. And for the evening, yeah, go for a dark lipstick, a dark maroon, a dark plum, whatever, dark brown. I think it'll look great. So yeah, this was the look, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Do I look like Malvika Sitlani? I'm gonna put a photo in the video so you guys can just compare how we both look and how well I have done the makeup.